guys, in this tutorial we will discuss about the types of inheritance. In interview also this question can be asked, what is inheritance and what are the types. So you must know the types of inheritance. So the first one is a single inheritance. Quite simple. In the single inheritance we simply need two classes and there should be connectivity between them. So in that diagram you can observe two classes are there, A and B. So B can take the data from base class. Okay, here the derived class B can take the data from base class. So that thing only you have to keep in mind. So that is what the simple inheritance. Single means you can say simple inheritance also. Next one is a multi-level inheritance, means we have the in place of 2 3 class we are adding one more class. So here B will be intermediate, A will be base and C will be derived. So B can take the data from A and C can take the data from B and A because B is derived from A. If you add one more D, then D will take the data from all the classes A, B, C, like that. So there will be chain, like B will take data from A, then C can take the data from B as well as A. So in this way it will work out. Next one is multiple inheritance. So multiple inheritance, quite simple. We use more than one base class and which will give features to the common derived class. Some programming language doesn't support this concept like Java, but in Python it support. You can have more than one base class and which is having the common derived class. So here derived class is having more option. It can take data from A as well as B. So that is what multiple inheritance. In hybrid inheritance we use more than one inheritance, that you keep in mind. So here there is a one base class providing data to two derived class, then this two derived class will become base for the D. So here B, C and D, it is just like a multiple inheritance. Okay, so you can say it's a combination of more than one inheritance. Then hierarchical inheritance, quite simple. We use one base and which is providing more than one derived class. So it is just opposite of multiple inheritance. In multiple we get more than one base class. In hierarchical we get more than one derived class. So you just keep in mind hierarchical is a opposite of multiple inheritance. So here what happened? The derived classes B, C and D, they have common option. They can take the data from class A. So once you create the object of B, C and D, they can access the data from class A. So here the main use of all the types of inheritance is it support the code reusability. If you have already data in the previous class, then we can access it. So you have to just create the derived class concept. So that's it for the inheritance. So all the types of inheritance we have discussed and you have understood diagrammatically and theoretically, and practically we will see in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you.